Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this video tutorial, I would like to teach about how to install WordPress on your PC. First, you must need to download XAMPP as well as WordPress on your PC. I will show the link. Just go to this link and download the latest version of WordPress on your PC. Save it. And another one software is XAMPP. I am already installed XAMPP on our PC. So first I enable to run the PC. Apache store and MySQL store. Okay, let's start executing. Then just close this tab. Okay, I will download the XAMPP. Just go to my computer and local C, then go to XAMPP. Here you will see the H3 docs file. Here you will create the folders, new folders, --blog. Which name you prefer, you like to add this. And just copy this WordPress file and paste it here. Just extract it. Okay, extracting it from the process. Okay, successfully extracted. Then go to this WordPress folder and copy all this file and move it on front. And paste it here. Then just remove this folder. This folder also you like to remove it. Then this is the main point you like to do this. Just go to our browser and type it as localhost /php myadmin. It's asked to username password. Once you already installed the XAMPP, that time you will put password for this. Put and password. Okay, just already I created lots of databases files. Just click to create new file. Type its name as WordPress-blog. Already I create the WordPress folder on this exam folder. Just now I added this WordPress blog as a database name. Just click to create. Okay, successfully created. Then go to this browser localhost / this folder name WordPress-blog. Localhost /WordPress-blog. Just click enter. It is go to the set of configurations. First you prefer language. I will choose English as prefer language. Then it will ask about the database name, username, password, and host. Okay, let's go. This WordPress database name is WordPress-blog. Sorry, _blog. Username is root. Password is empty. Then there is no need to change for these files. Okay. It asks to run the installation. Then click run the installation. It will take a little bit time. Just okay. It will ask the site title. Site title as I will put as WordPress-blog. Username you will prefer as admin. And then put your strong password. I will use it as admin at 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. If you use confirm with this one, just click the mail ID for your own issue. You will to get the reset password for your files. Yes, I will put as My email IDs. News@gmail.com. Okay. Then click the Install WordPress. It will take a little time to install on the WordPress on your local PC. Just wait for it. Okay, it's successfully installed. Username and login. Just log in. Username you will already know, admin, and password as admin@12345. Sorry, the wrong password. Admin@12345. Okay, it's successfully logged in. It's the latest version of WordPress on your local PC. Just you need to visit the site to show WordPress blog or local install on your PC. It's one of the very simplest step to easily to install WordPress on your local PC using XAMPP. Just I will show the log of function and edit profiles. All are clearly installed successfully. Appearance, poses, and all other things are greatly successfully installed perfectly. So I will need to log out and reinstall it. It's the login URL for your blog on your local PC. WordPress folder /wp-login.php. Username as admin@12345. Just log in. Successfully log in. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends and all.